Good evening, my dear students. Today we are discussing about isoenzymes. So first, what is the enzymes? Enzymes is involved in the increase the rate of reaction. It acts as a catalyst. So what is the isoenzyme? The isoenzyme is involved in the rate of reaction, but a number of enzymes are involved in the rate of increase the rate of reaction. So what is the literal definition of the isoenzyme? The multiple forms of an enzyme. Multiple forms of an enzyme catalyzing the same reaction is known as isoenzyme. In simple, one more definition: a number of enzymes catalyzing the same reaction, or a number of enzymes involved in the increase the rate of reaction, is known as isoenzymes. So the isoenzymes are isoenzymes, or it is also known as isogymes. So the isoenzymes, what is the isoenzymes? They have the different in the physical and chemical. A number of enzymes, multiple forms of enzymes are involved in the catalyzing the reaction. So these are the multiple forms of enzymes that different in their physical characters and as well as the chemical properties. Different in the physical and chemical properties, which including structure also. The next one, immunological properties, and the next one, electrophoretic. The electrophoric characters are different in the each and every enzyme. So what are their enzymes? So enzymes is the example LDH. Number one isoenzyme is the LDH. What is the LDH? Lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. The lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. The lactate dehydrogenase enzyme is the systemic name is the lactate dehydrogenase. So it catalyzes the interconversion of lactate. It is mainly involved in the interconversion of lactate and pyruvate. Lactate is converts to pyruvate. So what is the lactate reaction? CH3, CH and COOH. Here OH. This is called as a lactic acid. So what is the importance of the LDH? Interconversion of lactate is converts to pyruvate. So what is the pyruvate? CH3 C double bonded O COOH. This is called as a pyruvic acid. So lactic acid is converts to pyruvic acid by utilization of NAD is converts to NADH2. So it is called as a reversible reaction. Depends upon the LDH, lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. So this is about LDH. LDH is the isoenzyme. So it is mainly involved in the interconversion of lactic acid is converts to pyruvic acid. This is the reaction of the lactic acid. Lactic acid converts to pyruvic acid. It depends upon the LDH enzyme. So the LDH is divided into 5 types. LDH is divided into how many types? 5 types. Number 1 is the LDH1. Number 2 is the LDH2. LDH2. Number 3 is the LDH3, LDH4 and LDH5. So it's divided into how many types? 5 types. What are there? LDH1, LDH2, LDH3, LDH4 and LDH5. So the LDH1, LDH5 up to LDH1 to LDH5, it is separated by how to separation of this LDH1, LDH2, LDH3, LDH4, 5. So it is separated by electrophoresis. It's separated by electrophoresis. So the by using of the electrophoresis, it is divided into 5 categories of LDH, LDH1 to LDH5, and as well as the LDH1 having the more positive charge. The LDH having the LDH1 having the more positive charge, and LDH1 is containing the more positive charge, LDH5 is a less positive charge. So this is about of LDH1, LDH2, LDH3, LDH4 and LDH5. So the LDH1, it is the LDH1, LDH2, LDH3, LDH4 and LDH5, it having the each and every category having the two subunits. It containing the two subunits. What are the two subunits? One is the H and second one is the M. H is nothing like that heart. M is a muscle. Heart and muscle. So what are the individual structure? So LDH1 structure, first we discuss about the LDH1 structure. So the LDH1 structure, the LDH1 structure, it containing the 2 plus 2 subunits. It containing the 2 plus 2 subunits. In all subunits, it containing the only H subunits. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 subunits. Only H. H means heart. Then next one LDH2. So it consisting H3M, 1 muscle and 3 heart. The next one LDH3, H2, M2. The next one LDH4, it containing the H1, M3, H1 and M3. The next LDH5, this one M4. LDH5 is the M4. So LDH1, though it related to the heart and RBC, it related to the heart and RBC. The next one LDH2 also heart and RBC. The next one LDH3 is a brain and kidney. The LDH3 is a brain and kidney, related to the brain and kidney tissue of origin. The next one LDH4 is a liver and skeletal muscle. This one is the liver and skeletal muscle, related to the liver and skeletal muscle. And the next one M4 is a skeletal muscle and liver, skeletal muscle plus liver. So the what is the origin? Tissue origin. The tissue origin of LDH1 is the heart and RBC. Tissue origin of LDH2 is the heart and RBC. Tissue of LDH3 is the heart and the next brain and kidney. The next one LDH3 is the skeletal muscle and liver. LDH5 is the skeletal muscle and liver. So this is about of classification and as well as the tissue of origin. This is about LDH hormone. So LDH is a lactate dehydrogenase. The lactate dehydrogenase is one of the isoenzyme. The next one more enzyme. That enzyme is called as a creatinine phosphokinase enzyme. So next enzyme is known as, what is the next enzyme? Creatinine phosphokinase enzyme. Second one enzyme is known as a creatinine phosphokinase enzyme. Creatinine phosphokinase isoenzyme. The creatinine phosphokinase enzyme, interconversion of phosphocreatinine to creatinine. Interconversion of phosphocreatinine to creatinine. So here phosphocreatinine is converts to creatinine. In the presence of creatinine phosphokinase enzyme by utilization of ATP energy. ATP converts to ADP or ADP converts to ATP. It is the reversible reaction. So the creatinine phosphokinase enzyme, existed into three categories. What are they? CPK1, CPK2 and CPK3. The CPK1, CPK2, CPK3, what is the subunits of this CPK1, CPK2? Subunits is the B and B. CPK2 is the B and M. The next one, CPK3 is the M and M. So B means brain, M means muscle. B means brain, M means muscle. So here both these are the CPK1 containing the only brain related subunits, and CPK2 brain and muscle related subunits. CPK3 is the only muscle unit subunit. The next one, what is the tissue of origin? The tissue of origin is the brain. CPK1 is the brain, and CPK2 is the heart. Tissue of origin is the heart, and the next one, CPK3 is the skeletal muscle. So the next one, the healthy individual isoenzyme CPK2 is almost undetectable in serum unit less than 2%. So the CPK2, especially the CPK2, is presented in the human body less than 2% in the human body total CPK value. So after mitochondrial infection, within the first 16 to 18 hours, the CPK2 increase in the serum high concentration up to 2% only. So the CPK2 is the earliest reliable indication myocardial infection. So in case of decreasing or increasing of the 2%, it is detect the myocardial infection. So this is about of the isoenzyme creatinine phosphokinase. So the next one enzyme is called as the isoenzyme alkaline phosphatase. The alkaline phosphatase isoenzyme is the many existed into 6 isoenzymes. So the alkaline phosphate is identified by the ALP monomer. So the isoenzyme due to the difference in the carbohydrate content. So the difference in the carbohydrate content. Most important are the ALP isoenzymes. So number of isoenzymes are present in the human body. Most of the importance of the ALPs is divided into several types. So what is the first one? Alpha 1 ALP. The next one, alpha 2 ALP. Alpha 1 ALP, alpha 2 ALP, and the next one, beta ALP, and the last one is omega ALP. Alpha, beta, omega ALP. So in here alpha ALP. So the alpha ALP is related to the alpha ALP, and alpha 2 ALP is related to the heart label. Related to the heart. And the next one, alpha 2 is the heat stable. The next one, the alpha 2 especially heat stable isoenzyme. The next one, beta ALP and omega ALP is related to the skeletal muscle. So the next one, the beta ALP indicates the bone disease. Especially the beta 2 indicates the bone diseases. Indicates the bone diseases indicated by the beta ALP. So this is about so isoenzymes. So what is the isoenzyme? The isoenzyme is the number of enzymes involved in the number of enzymes are involved in the increase the rate of reaction is known as isoenzymes. The isoenzymes are the different in the physical and chemical and other characteristics also different in the each and every enzyme. So what are their example? LDH is the one of the example. The next one, ALP is the one of the example, and CPK is the one of the example. So these are these three enzymes are involved in the interconversion of compounds. So it contains the different structures, and it contains the subunits also. This is about isoenzymes. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.